In this video, I'm going to teach you how to trade on Motivwave. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you an initial overview on how to set up Motivwave on your PC and how you can start setting up trade orders. Keep in mind that I'm not going to go super in-depth about this tool because it can get quite complicated. There are a lot of tools to go over, and sadly I cannot do it in a video of this nature and length. To start, you need to download the tool from the official website. So go to motivwave.com, click on download, and you will have it for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Intel, and Mac OS Apple Silicon. You can access the free trial by inputting full name and email address, or you can browse through all of the options here. For pricing, you have lease and purchase, so choose any of these and decide on whether or not you would like to purchase the tool. After you have access to Motivwave, you will run the installer, and this is the very first thing that you will see. Welcome to Motivwave. In here, give your workspace a name. You can choose to store it in your local disk, which means that it is only going to be available in this computer, or if you choose the cloud by using the same license key. Anyone with access to this license key will be able to access the same workspace. So even if you switch PC, switch devices, switch locations, you can use the same license key and recover all of your pre-existing workspaces. So choose accordingly. Next, you will see all of the free demo accounts available, and you have to choose a service. So choose your particular broker or data service from this list. You can use the test connection option to see if everything looks okay and you can connect successfully, and you can get more help as needed. Now, this is how the default view will look like at most times. You will have the graph here in the middle, the options at the top left. You will also have more taskbar options here at the right. And at the bottom, you will have specific information about orders that you have placed and a bunch of exchanges. You have other buttons here that you can access. But if all you want to do is place a new order, you can right-click at any time on this graph view. You will find trade, and you can choose buy, sell, cancel all, and so on. Or you can use this menu at the top right. By using a specific icon, you can access the same order page. This is how it looks when you right-click and go to buy. So you can see the symbol, position, bid size, bid, ask size, last price, and all of the information. And if you use this menu at the right and you click on this dollar bill icon, you can also set up buy orders. You'll have position, bid, ask, sell, and buy options, input the quantity, display quantity, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on trading on Motivwave, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.